Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl CHIMEINWITHSOCHIMA, aka Chime. You know what it is, what we doing, and how we doing it. Today we have a requested video. Yay! The comment is from Miss Mickey Mouse. She says, okay, first of all, you're cute. Second of all, that pink is bomb on you. Next, you should do a tutorial on how to make a wig. I'm in. You did that. Thank you, Miss Mickey Mouse. First off, your name is so cute, and I appreciate the comment so much. So, as y'all know, if y'all leave a comment and request a video, I am going to do it for you and shout you out, of course. So, yeah, this is me doing this video for her. Real quick, if you haven't checked out my previous video, go ahead and do that. I show you exactly how I dye this hair using the watercolor method. It started off as black, so I completely stripped all the color and then got it to this beautiful ruby red. So right now, jumping straight into the video, I showed y'all how I started to apply the closure. This is a 13x4 closure from a hair company that I have yet to name. And basically what I did was start off where I wanted the closure to be, and I basically pinned it down and then braided all the hair out of my way and then clipped it up. And so now I am using the blanket stitch method to go all the way around the closure and just secure it in place, keeping in mind that the neater and closer the stitches are, the more secure the closure will be. This hair took all of this so well. Oh my goodness, like I just can't fathom. Like, I'm lost for words. Like, I'm literally shook it. That is I, okay? This hair took this whole process so freaking well, it doesn't make any sense. So now, as far as how I'm laying the tracks, I'm literally laying them about a centimeter apart. So I have 3 bundles and a closure. The bundles were about 16 inches, I want to say, and the closure was about, I want to say it was like maybe 12 inches. And I'm using the fold over method to basically lay the tracks, and like I said before, going in with the blanket stitch. So that's basically like when you, like, I don't know how to explain it. I guess like when you sew, the thread is gonna like be on top. Man, I don't know how to explain it. But if you watch, maybe you can see kind of what I'm doing. And if not, there's a lot of videos on my channel as well as on YouTube on how to do the blanket stitch, how to make a wig. And if those don't help you, can definitely leave a comment in the comment section down below, and I will definitely answer any questions you may have. So I kind of use my thumb as like a guideline as far as how far apart to space each thread or each sewing stitch that I do. And then right here is a closer look. So kind of watch that and see if it's making any sense to you as far as like how to do the blanket stitch, how I measure everything apart using my thumbnail. Now, if you're finding the video helpful thus far, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to stay updated with all my future content. Now, this right here, moving right along, this is essential part. When you are connecting the weft of the bundle to the closure, make sure you connect them together. Like, don't just sew like a gap in between. Like, you really want to sew your closure and your weft of the bundle together. This is gonna make like a seamless line, so like it'll help conceal where your closure starts and where the weft of the bundles start. And it'll just basically just help blend everything together to give you that really flawless, like sexy, like growing out of my head type unit, you know, all them vibes, like all them vibes. We slaying all 2019, 2020, 2021, all of that. So if you can, squeeze as much as the wefts in as possible. And me personally, I don't cut my bundles. Like, as much as possible, I try not to cut my bundles. If I can squeeze it all in, I try to squeeze it all in. But unfortunately, here I had to kind of like cut it because I couldn't squeeze any more in. Like, it just wasn't working. So yeah, as you see, I cut it off, and now I took the wig off the mannequin head and flipped it inside out. Now, this is for two reasons. One, I had a couple of little pieces of tracks left, and I didn't want to waste it, so I decided to store it on the inside of the wig, right? You know, just in case later on in the future I wanted to like add a weft in somewhere, I could do that because I have this extra piece of track in, right? I have this little piece of track right here. But the real purpose of me putting it here is it's because I was smart. I was like, you know what? What if I want to do this in an updo? Like, what if I want to put this unit in an updo? Okay? Why not sew this track on the inside of this wig? And then when I flip the hair up in like a high bun, like nobody will know it's a wig. It's gonna look like it's coming out my scalp. And I just thought I was so smart for this. I just thought I was so genius. But basically that's it for this video. If you want to see how I cut and style this into a beautiful blunt short bob, definitely stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and chime in next time. Look at that. Baby hairs and all is coming right out my head. So smart. I'm crazy. Bye, y'all.